are about 15 of these stores that are operating today without a license from the state of Washington. We know there are at least 6 in White Center. We've plotted them on the map. We're here today because the law is now very clear. The only legal way to sell marijuana is to have a state-issued license. If you don't have a license, it's illegal to sell marijuana. These 15 stores in unincorporated King County are unlicensed, untaxed, and undermining the state's new groundbreaking legal marijuana law. They simply must cease to operate now. They can go and apply to get a license. If they get a license, they may reopen. But there is no more tolerance for illegal, unlicensed marijuana stores. If they continue to operate as unlicensed, illegal retail outlets for the black market, they will face an array of civil and potentially criminal options that we have to make sure that we can enforce the new law in the state of Washington. It would be a mistake for anybody to think we're not serious about doing that. We've picked this location, the sheriff's storefront here in White Center, because on this very street we have an example of how you do it right and how you do it wrong. There is a licensed 502 store across the street called Bud Nation that has complied with all of the laws of the state. It has been granted a license by the Liquor and Cannabis Board and is collecting taxes and sending those taxes to the state of Washington. There are 6 other stores in White Center that are doing it wrong. They have no authority to sell marijuana. They're not acting as an actual collective garden under the law, and they must cease to operate. You know, since the medical marijuana initiative passed in our state in 1998, we have been very, very sensitive to allowing patient access. You won't find a prosecutor in the state who has done more to allow patients to get marijuana for their medical needs than the King County Prosecuting Attorney's Office. But at some point we have to say the law has changed, and we all need to change the way we view marijuana in the state of Washington.